We are pleased to present to you our smallest twin screw extruder of the 16mm screw size, and which is presented here with a downstream water bath and pelletizer. This specific extruder is equipped with a computerized control. You can here see the touch screen where you can control all the extruder parameters, as well as the suction for the water bath and the pelletizer speed. You can also here switch on the vacuum pump on the line. So all functions is on this touchscreen. And here we show you how to set the temperature on one of the zones, which we are now keying into 180 degrees. Another screen here will show you the temperature parameters for recording purpose mainly. And here you also have a possibility to plot a graph of your temperature, temperature trend. And another screen here will also show alarm functions when something is not closed properly, etc. Here is the hopper feeder of the twin screw extruder, and you should see the famous mirror which will show the level of the batch in the hopper. And we have started the extruder, and we are now running the hopper feeder, and we can look down the throat here, and you can see that the pellets, which are normal size pellets, are very well caught up with the screws. The screw has deep flights and can take a general type of pellets, general size of pellets. And here we show the vacuum inlet for with a vacuum gauge. You have also a valve here. The red handle is a valve where you can regulate the vacuum. This extruder uses a one hole strand die, and you see here the strand coming out, being led through the water bath, and coming up here to the brush will remove the water, and then the heavy duty suction here, which you see up there, which will suction away the water from the strand. So when it comes into the pelletizer, the strands are completely dry. And the pelletizer here is equipped with variable speed, of course, and can also have a variable speed in feed, so you can regulate it's an optional. You can have variable speed in feed where you can regulate the size of the pellet, the length of the pellet. So it can also be made with a very small pellet size, up to maybe 1 millimeter or even less. And below here you have we have the chute going down to a plastic tray we have put here, and we have a little practical platform where the tray is placed, as you can see here. This platform can be raised or lowered depending on the size of the container which you put at the chute of the pelletizer. The sub cabinet you see here, actually we have two sub cabinets, one for the water bath and pelletizer and the other one for the twin screw. These sub cabinets contain all the electrical component. It also contains the suction fan for the strand suction on the water bath. And here you see a view of the back side of the twin extruder, and you can see here all the connections to every zone. This twin extruder has 10 zones on the barrel, and here are the connections to each zone, as you can see. This twin screw is also available with 44 LD to get the longer and compounding section. And here you see the electrical connection between the twin screw extruder and the sub cabinet. And finally, at the end of this video presentation, we show the drives. On the top you see the drive to the hopper feeder, and here you see the large drive motor to the twin screw extruder. In spite of its small size, our 16mm twin screw extruder has proven to have same outstanding compounding properties as our larger 20 and 26mm twins. It is therefore ideal for small runs where you need to produce samples or where you want to make small productions for research and other experimental purposes. As with our larger 20 and 26mm twins, this 16mm version is equipped with a hinge clamshell barrel where you can open up the upper half and get easy access to the screws. With this it is possible to open up the barrel while there is still a compound inside, and you can then study how the compound has performed along the entire length of the screw. The screws can also be pulled out from the front while the barrel is still closed. This makes it easy and fast to clean the screws.